Hello everybody, this is my second video. Now I'm going to show you in this video why NASA's distance from the Earth to the Moon does not make sense. So I'll start by showing you this video. This is the Apollo 17 mission, and they're filming the Earth from space. I'll show you later what distance they're filming it from, because I managed to calculate it and I have the correct distance. So as you can see, the Earth here, I'll be showing you later using a photograph. I'm gonna show you the distance between this edge of the video and this edge of the video. So that's the Earth. And I'm gonna fast forward here. That's the Moon. I'll also show you the distance between this edge of the video and this edge of the video proportionally. So now that I showed you the video, I'll show you a photograph I did. So what I did is I took that video and I centered the Earth in the center. The green circle that goes all around is the circumference of 40,000 kilometers. The blue line that goes all the way across, the diameter is 12,756, and half of that would be the radius of 6,378. So what I did is I drew a blue line from the edge of the Earth to the exterior of the video on either side, and half of that blue line is represented by the red line, and the red line fits exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times across the diameter. Meaning, to find the distance of the blue line that's on either side, you would take the diameter of 12,000 divided by 9, gives 1,417, times 2, because it fits 2 times across the light blue line, which is 2,834. And now I did the same thing with the Moon in this photograph. We have the green circle, which represents a circumference of 10,900, and the dark blue line represents a diameter of 3,474, and the pink line represents the 1,737 radius. As for the light blue line, it fits 4 diameters across. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I took the diameter of 3,474 times 4 portions of 4. It gives 13,899. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my drawing. This blue line that I put on either side of the Earth and either side of the Moon, I'm going to put that in my drawing. So this is the distance between the Earth and the Moon. And the Moon, as you can see, is the correct diameter, radius 1,737, and the Earth is also the right radius of 6,378, and the distance between the two of them is 384,400. So to add my 2,834.71 on either side of the Earth. So now we have our 2,834.71 on either side. And now I'm going to go add that blue line to the Moon, which is 13,899.2. other side. $13,899.2. Now that we have our blue line set up, we cross the extremities to find the center point of where it was filmed. So two more lines to do. That's from the edge of the earth to the center point. Which is a distance of 138,814. And on the other side as well. $243,847. Now the thing here that doesn't make sense is that in my first video, if we take our angular size here and we stretch it to the edges of our moon at 384,000 kilometers, our moon in our first video does not appear proportionally. Our cone does not fit to either edges of our moon inside our atmosphere, like shown in the first video. So that's one reason why it doesn't make sense. Another reason is the angle from these two lines here, shown in light blue, is only 8 degrees. Now to be able to film 8 degrees from a distance of $138,000 kilometers away does not make any sense. Most cameras would capture 180 degrees up to 110 degrees. As for this, it only captures 8 degrees, so that would have to have one really powerful zoom in order to film the Earth at 8 degrees across from 138,000 kilometers. So I'm going to show you what makes more sense, which would be in this drawing of mine, where I have the distance that I've shown you in the first video of 25,000 on one side and 9,000 on the other side. So if we add those up, it would go according to our number that I showed you in my first video. 25,038 plus 9896 comes to approximately 34,934 from the Earth to the Moon. Now I'm going to show you something else that would prove this. The distance between where it was filmed and the Earth is 9,896 kilometers. In this photograph shown in my first video, this is a photograph from the space shuttle at approximately 500 kilometers up from the ground, and you can see a portion which is approximately 1/5 of the circumference of the Earth at only 500 kilometers away. So if you picture yourself at 9,896 kilometers, it makes more sense that you would see the Earth at this size than you would at the distance of 138,000 kilometers. at a degree of 8 degrees, as opposed to close to 110 degrees. So that was my video. Now you know at the distance that the shuttle was when it was filming the Earth, approximately 9,896 kilometers, and from the moon it was 25,038. So tell your friends, tell your family, and if you see any mistakes, let me know. Bye.